Hello and welcome to Chakra Healing and Meditation series. Today we will be discussing about the last chakra and most important chakra of our energy system or of our body, which surprisingly is considered in not inside our body but in our energy system. It's outside of our body. What is that chakra I am referring? It's called the crown chakra. This is very much important for feeling the connection with within yourself and with universe. But if you are new to this video and first time you are watching this, then go back to my other chakra activation and meditation and healing video. Start from root chakra and slowly then go back to the other like sacral chakra, solar plexus, heart chakra, and then throat chakra, third eye chakra, and then come back to this crown chakra activation, healing, and meditation video. You can watch it for the information, but if you don't practice it like the way I'll be telling, you are not going to get that benefit. So, knowing and not doing is not knowing. That is what one of my master called. So now let's start. By the way, if you don't know me because you are new to this channel, hi, I am Sudeshna. I'm a mindset coach, healer, and graphotherapy. And I have started practicing this healing and meditation journey. Even though meditation I used to do for 10 plus years, but this healing and graphotherapy, graphologist I am also, I have started three and a half years back, and that is when my life changed because I realized that this is how much powerful. From my childhood till the 3 years back, I was only learning and practicing what our education system give us, that is the Western education system. But these type of ancient knowledge which was earlier there in our education system, somehow it got lost. But I realize the potential of it because by practicing these, I have improved my health, relationship, career, and money, everything. I have improved my consciousness. So, watch this video till end. You will realize maybe you are doing some mistakes. Maybe you are the one who need to practice this because whatever algorithm, technical, scientific, YouTube algorithm, whatever, because of which you have come to this video, maybe there are some reason you are watching this video. So stay till the end. And if you are already a person who are watching my video, maybe last 3 4 videos, but not yet subscribe, please subscribe because for you it's free. For me it's giving me some motivation that yes, these videos are giving some persons the value I want to reach to you. At least it is reaching. So now let's start. What is the crown chakra? Like I said, this is the only chakra we believe. I mean, this is not the only chakra, I'm sorry, but this is the first chakra which is outside our body and above, inside our energy system, because our body is only not only the mass but also the energy. So this is considered like just a few inches above our head, like in this area. So why this is outside the body? Because as per the spirituality concept, as per even whatever healing practice we are doing, we are not our body. Even I am not my body, I am not my mind, I am not my hands, legs, whatever. I am beyond that. So that's why I am not only the body. So even though this crown chakra is outside my body, it's still part of me. It still regulate very important part inside my body. So how you will understand that your crown chakra is not balanced, which is for most of the people? If you feel you don't have enough, if you feel that you have to do everything for your growth, for your career, for your relationship, no one is loving you, no one is taking care of you, you are not a blessed child. If you are feeling this thing, that means your crown chakra is obviously blocked. along with that there are some other chakras which are also blocked. That is why I referred to go back to the earlier video. What happens when the chakras are blocked? Each chakras are associated with some of our glands. So chakras are energy centers, but it is also associated with some glands, which the glands is secreting some of the hormone. So like the crown chakra is associated with our pineal gland, pituitary gland, sorry. And the pituitary gland is one of the most important gland because it is actually regulating the other glands even. So that is why the crown chakra is most important. And when your crown chakra is balanced, how do you feel? You will feel surrender. You will feel that whatever problem you are, you are not going to take any tension because you know that you are just a medium. You are also part of universe. You are not doing anything. Everything is happening through you. You are just a medium. I know this seems very vague, this seems little theoretical, but believe me, I have practiced this chakra meditation for last 3.5 years, and right now I can sense that. I was telling this to my community member. We practice every day from 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. healing and meditations in a group, and these are my community members. I talk to them regularly. I help them to achieve their emotional freedom, to activate their energy system. I teach them the healing modalities like Ho'oponopono, EFT, and chakra healing, the other meditation modalities. So I was telling them that recently I have started feeling this surrender feeling. I was not earlier feeling this, even though slowly I healed my root chakra, my sacral chakra, my all the other chakra like heart chakra, throat chakra. But the crown chakra, I was keep on practicing, even though I was not feeling surrender, even though I was feeling that I have to do something to get something. But recently, I have started slowly feeling that I'm just a medium. Whatever is happening, let it just happen. Whatever good thing I want in my life, it is already there, and whatever is yet to come, it will come. But there will be a divine, there is generally a divine timing for everything to happen in your life, and maybe the divine thing is not yet come, but that doesn't mean that you will not do anything. So if you not do anything, universe is not going to work with you. Whatever you are responsible for doing, 5%, 10%, whatever it's that, you have to do it, and then you have to let it go. So that letting go is very difficult. It's very easy to say, but it's very difficult. Once we start achieving all the power to speak, to walk, to think, to do whatever we are doing, we start believing that we are doing everything. But just think, can you control your heartbeat? Can you control your hormone secretion? Can you even control your digestive system? Of course, maybe by eating junk food, you can slow down your digestive process, but can you control it? Can you stop today that, okay, stomach, I'm giving you break today. You need not to digest any food. You can't, right? Everything is now doing by your autonomous nervous system. So we are doing a very small part of it. Other thing is automatically controlled by the universal energy. And when you will start believing this, it's not about knowing again, it's about being that person of belief, who can believe that we are not doing anything, we are just a medium. So we are becoming that medium to allow the universal energy to flow through us and do something. I'm not doing telling about the day-to-day activity, but the bigger purpose work you are doing. So that is how your crown chakra will be balanced. The more you will understand this thing and practice. So understanding again is okay for your conscious mind, You have to practice that. How can you practice? How can you activate your crown chakra? Again, the same process. Slowing your breath to relax your body. Now you have to start feeling nothing. What do I mean by feeling nothing? Is it really possible? Yes, it's possible. When you focus on your crown chakra, this place, focus as if you are not inside your body. Focus, you are watching your crown chakra from front, from back, from above crown chakra, because you can go anywhere in the universe because you are energy, and energy can go to any part of universe. So focus on your crown chakra, deep breathing, and now focus on nothing. Nothing means even if you some feeling, some memories will come, just let it pass. And now when you are feeling nothing, when you are not thinking about your future, your past, you are just be present. That is the time you are most powerful and you are God, and your crown chakra is balanced. So practice this with that Bij mantra, which is again Om. You can chant Om, but not only chant Om, also while chanting Om, either you can focus on your third eye chakra or the crown chakra. Don't focus Om and focus on the voice. So practice this way and let me know by commenting how are you practicing, how are you feeling, what video next you want me to teach you. But again, teaching is one part, practice is very important. If you really want to practice with me and my community members, you are welcome to join my community. To join my community, first attend my free webinar. It's the first session is absolutely free. Attend the free webinar. If you feel that yes, it's for you, you are welcome to join. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family and taking that first step towards the better version of you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.